No day is ever the same, and that's probably one of the things that I most enjoy about this job. My name is David, and I am a team leader within the Retirement Service Directorate here at DWP.
Good morning, you all right? Morning, very good.
I like to start early. I do 40% in the office. They're my favourite days.
So first things first, you start the day with a coffee.
So as a case officer, you would be responsible for providing pensions, benefits and retirement information for future pensioners in the UK. Pension credit is one of the most complex benefits, and there's so much information online, but working with elderly people, it's that personal service and actually speaking to a human at the end of the phone that can really make the difference. It's very much about customer service, being able to listen or being empathetic, being understanding, being able to work for a team who will support you every step of the way. There's training involved in the job. Yeah, just bring a bit of you, really. One of the most satisfying things about the area that I work in is, it makes a difference to people's life. That job satisfaction is incredible. I've just had a call from a customer and she thought she had a missing payment, so I can reassure her that it's been replaced and it's been put right going forward. I always think if that was my grandma on the phone, how would I want somebody to speak to them? It can really melt your heart sometimes. So at the end of the day would be a bit of a wrap up, making sure that anything on my to-do list has been crossed off. You can shut the laptop and you go, like that's it. You leave work at work. It's really nice kind of having that balance with your work life and also your personal life. So that's me done for the day. I'm off home to watch EastEnders.